I just need for you to give me a little butt wiggle.
No.
Come on.
I ain't giving you nothing.
Come on. Just a little butt wiggle.
Trying to poison.
I'm not trying to poison you. Come on, or do the twist. Come on, baby. Let's do the twist.
How about, come on, baby, I'll hit you in the head with the pan.
No. Come on, Bushcraft is doing a challenge.
Who?
Bushcraft. It's a monkey dance challenge.
Well, good.
You have to dance like the monkey.
Good for Bushcraft.
Come on.
There's no come on.
Just do a little butt wiggle.
That's it. That's all you get.
Come on, you didn't even wiggle it.
Yeah, didn't you see it?
I didn't see it.
Yeah,
Nobody else saw it either. Do it again.
No.
Come on.
See it?
No.
You missed it again.
Because you didn't do nothing.
I ain't doing it no more. I already did it.
You did not.
I did it twice.
You didn't. You're lying.
Nope.
Come on, just one little wiggle.
No.
Come on.
Go away, leave me alone.
No, I will if you give me a butt wiggle. See what I have to put up with? He just doesn't cooperate at all.
What you have to put up with. The only meal I got in the last 2 days, and what'd she do? She put crap in it that I can't stand. Neither can my mother-in-law. But then she wants to have a butt wiggle. That verdict's out today. They haven't come back in yet. They're afraid of protesting. Sharon! Come and take care of your daughter. She's driving me nuts. Did your mom do a butt wiggle?
No, Mom, we need you to come and do a butt wiggle.
Oh, Sharon, now okay, it's on you.
Come
now.
on, baby. Let's do the twist.
Why wouldn't he do a butt wiggle?
He wouldn't do a butt wiggle for me.
I did
Come
it.
on.
Is this for that monkey thing?
Yeah, for the monkey dance challenge.
I don't
I'm not
remember
even
how
part
they
of that
did
group.
Bushcraft monkey dance challenge. You don't have to do it like the monkey. You just have to do a butt wiggle and dance.
Hey,
it. Just a minute. Just a minute. Just wait a minute.
Okay, I'm waiting. Come on, baby.
Come on, baby.
Do the twist. Twist, twist. Mimon, monkey boy, do the twist. You're so perfect.